Let's evaluate the step function using the function rule. Here we have the function h of x. The function h of x has 5 different intervals. Each interval corresponds to a separate row. Since this is a step function, each row represents a different constant output value. Now let's evaluate the value of h of 0. The input 0 lies between -7 and 1, so it belongs to second intervals. Hence, we are going to use the second row, which tells us that the output will be -7. Therefore, the value of h of 0 is equal to -7. Now, let's find the value of h of -7. For h of -7, the input -7 could belongs to either first interval or the second interval. Now, can you tell me that which one should we use? Since the first interval is defined by x less than or equal to -7, it includes -7, but the second interval does not include -7, so we use the first interval. Therefore, the first interval tells us that h of -7 is -12. So the value of h of -7 is -12. Now it's time to find the value of h of 9. Since 9 is greater than 8, it belongs to the fifth interval. So using the fifth interval, we find that the output is 13. Then the value of h of 9 is also 13. Finally, let's find the value of h of 1. The input 1 could belong to either the second interval or the third interval. Since the second interval includes 1 because it is defined by x being greater than -7 and less than or equal to 1, and the third interval does not include 1, we use second interval. So the output is going to be -7. Hence the value of h of 1 is also equal to -7. This is how we evaluate a step function using its function rule.